Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on your LENOVO Tab One. So, if you're using the headphone jack, then make sure to inspect it for any visible damage or debris, dirt inside, because it might just be dirty and it might block the connection. So, maybe you have nothing to worry about and it's all dust. So, if this is the dust, then here we have the port. It's close to the charging port. Now, if it is the dust, then what we want to do is we want to use either an air compressor or a soft brush. I highly recommend the air compressor first and then the short brush the second. Now, you don't have to do those things. You can only do it with a soft brush or only with an air compressor, but if you really care about the detail, then I'll make sure to use both. Now, after that, after cleaning it up and testing your headphones with the device and trying to insert it into the headphone jack, seeing if it works, then what you guys can do is restart the phone. So not exactly the phone, this is just a big tablet, but as you guys can see, it's sitting like a phone here, so that's on me. Let's hold the power button right here and let's press on reboot. Now our tablet is restarting, and all we can do right now is wait for it to turn back on. So I'll see you guys in a second. Now this restart took way too long for me, but maybe it didn't for you. But now what can we do? We can try another pair of headphones. So grab a second pair if you have one and try and connect to your tablet to rule out any issues. So if there are some issues still, then it might be the headphone jack, or you might just have two faulty pair of headphones. So you'll never know. You just need to keep trying and make sure that you clean the headphone jack thoroughly. Now, after that, what you guys can do is, if you're using the USB-C headphones, then you guys can clean the charging port. You guys already know where it is because dust can block the connection. Same with the headphone jack. Restart the tablet, we've done that, and make sure that you're using an original adapter or a certified one, the high quality one if you're using one. Now, after that, what you guys can do is test another pair of headphones with the first one. So basically the same we did with the headphone jack. And if you're using Bluetooth headphones, then first go over to the settings. Right here in the settings, click on Bluetooth, and if your Bluetooth is enabled like that, then as you guys can see, we will have to disable it because Bluetooth can sometimes be buggy and it may be glitched, so we want to disable it. Now wait a couple of seconds and restart it again. Let me quickly turn off the airplane mode. And as you guys can see, our Bluetooth will be working now. So if you have a pair of headphones already connected, then forget it and then repair the headphones again. So you just click on them, you click forget, and redo the whole process. Now after that, you need to make sure that they are fully charged, because sometimes even when they are above 80%, then they just won't connect. And it happened to me with the AirPods once, so I would recommend charging them fully first, the case too, and I would recommend avoiding the device interference, because maybe they're connected to another device already and they are blocking the connection between your device and the headphones. So you definitely want to reset them if that's the case, and as a last resort, we can update our software to fix any glitches. So let's scroll down, click on About Tablet, and here click on System Update. Here it will check for updates automatically. It usually takes up to 10-15 seconds at max, and we will see if we run the latest version of our software. So as you guys can see, I have the latest version. But if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It can fix a lot of issues, including the headphones not being detected, even through the physical headphone jack, and much more. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.